Okay, we're live. I'm gonna give the analysis in a second, and you guys could like go ahead and feel free to look at it yourselves. And
I'm
let
gonna
me
take a
know what
pee.
y'all
Might be
see or
short.
whatever.
Let me see. Yeah.
Good morning, Jason. Good morning, Matt. Good morning, the other Wick. You have another Wick in the chat room right now.
Imposter.
Thank you all for tuning in. I could tell you guys have post notifications on. I appreciate you guys a lot, man. The last video I put out, I recorded like over a week ago, and it's really not that educational because vaguely went over concepts and the model, but the next video I have will be like something that y'all could actually learn from. Promise. Oh, you have a Discord server. I mean, it's just for me and my close friends right now. And like in the future, I want to make a public one, and it'll be more of a community because I'm not having anyone pay me to teach them like anymore. I've only done that with like select people, and I don't want to like make that my main thing. But that's like future plans. I don't even plan to like really make too much off of teaching. I'd rather just entertain on live, you know. And then if people learn from my videos, then they do. If they don't, I try my best. All right, let me post that I'm live on YouTube. How is everyone feeling about this week? Because I know we got a lot of news.
What we got today? Oh, 10 a.m.
Wait, what do you say?
No, I was saying what we got today, but it's the 10 a.m. news.
Oh yeah. Should I
I
use
got
it?
a feeling I got a good feeling about what's about to happen from what
Yeah,
I see.
videos are a W. Literally came across the payout video today. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. I'm gonna have a video coming out every single day of this week because like I was being lazy, so this is like forcing myself. Like I posted it. I was like, you know what? I can't not be responsible if I let everyone know that I'm going to do this. So I posted it, said I'm gonna post a video every single day of this week. So now I have to do it. You're gonna see 4 videos come out between Tuesday and Friday.
Mark his words, bro.
This
He
week is
said
gonna
it.
be hard. Not gonna. Yeah, I mean, like I hope it's better. I hope it's not as bad. Swansea, what were you saying?
I was telling him to hold you to it because you said it on live. Can't go back.
Bro, my audio is so bad. Wait, what?
Oh, it's probably my headphones,
No,
bro.
it's me. I'm telling you. I just can't hear you.
I was telling him to hold you to it because you said it on live.
Oh yeah,
So if you missed today,
yeah. Of course. Like, I'm making sure I actually stick to what I'm saying now. I need to like be a man of my word. Now, I didn't even post the link anywhere yet. besides like the 9 to 5 core. Thank you all for tuning in. I got 11 viewers. Let me make sure I'm on the right Instagram before I post on my public story. Post them live on my personal Instagram would suck. I don't need them seeing that.
It sounds like something is drumming in you.
Live. All right. Well, it sounds like something's what?
Like drumming.
Like from my mic.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. That's definitely hold up. Okay, so next thing, two things I'm doing today: getting my headset, getting a new mic, editing that video, posting another one on TikTok. I got a lot to do. What's up, Zord? We're coming for Asia lows. Let me go. Let me give my outlook now. I've been sitting here just chatting for too long now. Give me like 2 more seconds to post it on TikTok, and then I'll start actually talking about charts. I apologize, y'all.
Ain't no rest, bro. We got 25.
Yo, what is taking me so long to like literally pull up a picture, bro, and post it? Okay, here we go. Next, live on YouTube and your story. That's it. Okay. All right. We also have a decent amount of people in here now, so I'm not gonna be talking to nobody when I explain what I'm seeing. So NQ, pull up the 4 hour. Yesterday we came down and filled this gap. ES filled the gap as well and tapped into this fair value gap here. This fair value gap was this 2 p.m. low, and I believe NQ didn't tag it, right? Yeah. So we had SMT there, and that's what caused us to somewhere around here we had a reversal, and we came back up and swept these highs. So that's like from internal to external liquidity. Now, chances are we probably might want to come back into the range, especially because of the fact that NQ has taken now the previous day high and ES hasn't. So we probably want to come back inside of the range, which means we're going to be looking for shorts, ideally, right? By the way, whenever I set a bias, I never marry it. Okay, like I wait for the model to present itself, and then I look at the charts to see like, does this make sense with what I believe the drawn liquidity is. I'm not gonna sit here and play a guessing game or like marry a bias, and then because of that, like be blindsided by what's actually being presented in front of me. So what I really was looking for when I peeped that previous day high SMT was like a 15-minute breaker. So far, we haven't gotten one. We have, I'm not even going to worry about this mess. This is the highest high here. We would have to close below this low to create the breaker. We did have a change in state delivery, so I do believe we'll confirm this eventually. But this is the breaker I'm looking at, really. If I measure it, from a swing high to swing low, -2 lines up with not much at all, really. It's just down here. -4 lines up with previous day low, which would make sense for liquidity pairing. Like if you If we have S&T at previous day high, we could probably come down and take previous day low. That makes sense for liquidity pairing. Um, Honestly, a part of me just wants to wait for this 15 minutes to confirm and then just hold it down to previous day low, but I'm gonna wait for further confirmation. Or if
So
anything, I'll like take the short and I'll be like if I enter on the first fair value gap, I wonder if it'll hold all the way down to previous day low, but we'll see. We'll see. That's saying if we even get down that low. Now let's check the rest of like these sessions. So London low is still intact. Asia low is still intact on ES. I mean on NQ. On ES, it's the same story. We're looking for. I mean these lows are still here. YM I pay attention to, but I don't really pay attention to that much. As you can see, we've been bullshitting. I don't know what these candles are. I really don't care for YM recently, bro. I was looking for shorts on Q. Yeah, I'm doing the same thing. Ideally, I'm looking for shorts. There's no breaker here for, I mean, like, technically this is a swing low, but I'm not concerning myself with anything before 850. Depending on how we react to the bearish imbalance on ES. Um, I'm unsure which, wait, bearish imbalance. The closest one we're at is, I guess this IFEG. We'll see what happens. I'm just waiting till market open because there wasn't a breaker in the 850 macro that I like. Nothing obvious. Nothing screaming at itself. Nothing screaming at me. So I'm not gonna take anything until 9:30. I should start these streams at 9 a.m., bro. Swansea, Alex, since
Yo,
you're any questions so far?
no.
just wait.
Nah. All right. Yo, Philip. That's Cole, right? Yeah, that is Cole. I'm gonna text you, alright?
But this is already
Yeah, by the way, Swansea, whatever, because of like my whole yeah, because of my whole audio issue, if I'm not hearing you while we're talking, I'm not ignoring you. You just like text me because
alright.
okay. We got 18 minutes still open. We have 18 people watching. I appreciate you guys so much, man.
Bro, I don't know why I'm so tired today, bro.
Everyone's
I'm same,
tired
man.
right now, bro. What do you do last night?
Bro, I was just chilling. I was learning how to make some food, like really get in the kitchen with that shit. But I was up to like 11, but still, bro, I don't know why I got up. Still tired as shit.
So you was just cooking from like you was just
Yeah,
cooking all
yeah.
night?
So yeah, damn near. So we started cooking at like 8:30 ish or 9, and then we be D1 yeah, to take way long. Food. And then we ate, and then we talked a little bit more after that. Then that's when everybody went to their spot.
Well, shit.
Nah, I'm here, bro. I'm about to probably go back to sleep after this. I'm not going back to sleep now. I just said that, bro.
At Wick, how do you journal? Um, I don't like do physical journal. Well, no, obviously, no one's doing physical journals anymore. But what's it called again? What I do is I just record. Like I have OBS, which is what I also use to live stream. I would recommend doing this if you have the computer space. Just like it's easier than taking a bunch of screenshots and then typing out everything. So it makes it like less of a hassle. Just pull out your OBS, start recording, and then start talking about what happened during the day. Because that way you can also mention like if you tilted or whatever other things come to mind while you're going over your day. Like I have trade reviews for every single day of July, but I'm not gonna post that playlist because like if anything, like I do have a video idea for like after this month when I wrap up. I'm gonna go over like almost every trade I've taken. So yeah, that's how I journal. I take a bunch of videos and then like I'll like look back at them at times and I try to give myself key takeaways for each day. Like what could I have done to make more or lose less during that day. That's my way of journaling. Because I used to do the thing where I would take screenshots of every single trade I took and it's like it feels like a lot. Like it feels like so much. And since you have like such of like barrier to having a journal, it makes you want to not do it at all. So try to make it as easy as possible for yourself if you can.
Yo,
What up?
I might have my mic muted. There might be some background shit going on.
You said what?
So I might have my mic muted if it's hella background noise.
No, you're good. We don't hear it right now. I'll let you know if anything.
Yeah, just let me know.
Word. Wick, what's your model if you want to trade before open? What I trade before open is an SMT and a breaker. That's gonna take me a while to explain on YouTube. I'm not gonna lie, because it's not as simple as the first fair value gap model. What I trade is like basically an SMT at the top and a breaker, like at least a 15-minute time frame SMT and a breaker. There's a lot of like discretion to it, but I can get to that eventually. Why is it necessary to look out for other pairs making breaker and so? What do you mean by that? Like are you talking about if ES is making breakers and if versus if NQ is like I only pay attention to the breakers that form on NQ, if that's what you're asking. How long has it been since you got into trading? I started trading in 2023, March 2023, and I was trading options at the time. I didn't know what I was doing. No one was teaching me anything I really needed to actually learn. Like I was learning from those TJR videos from like a year and a half back, not the boot camp. Like I was learning about from TJR before boot camp was a thing. Like if you scroll all the way down, you'll see his like OG videos, like just teaching the original concepts like equilibrium, fair value gaps, order blocks, all that. That's where I learned about a little bit of ICT, and then it didn't really help me because he didn't put anything together. Uh, the main thing about ICT is that you can't just learn a bunch of concepts. You need to learn a model, and 2023 summer, I switched from ICT because of that. Because like obviously I wasn't finding success. I used order flow and fractals. If any of you guys have heard of that for a while, and then in I think September, November. If any of you guys have heard of this guy named Jacob Speculates, he's like some big guy in Twitter community now. We used to be friends like he was part of my original trading friend group like a while back. He taught me a model for the first time, and that's when I actually like learned how to trade. So it took me until April, right? Was it April 2024 to get funded? Yeah, April 2024 to get funded. and then May to get the payout. May 2024 to get the payout. That was my first payout then.
This is so retarded. I'm low-key in a short pre-market.
I'm assuming it's off of the 750 breaker, confirmed at what 8:43.
Yeah, but it's low-key. I entered on mistake, but I'm just gonna hold it.
I'm just waiting for open before I touch it, man.
Huh?
Especially because
That-
it's like pre-market
That's
on NFP today, right?
yeah.
Today was NFP? No, I'm tripping.
No, that shit just
Tomorrow.
hit.
I think
Tomorrow is
tomorrow
NFP.
is.
Okay.
Yeah, that's smarter. This is like low-key not a good trade.
It's not the highest rough probability in my opinion, but you know, I'll leave it to you to execute.
I thought I confirmed the breaker on the 15-minute, but apparently it didn't.
I'm pretty sure we'll get some bearish S&T on market open.
All right.
Um,
Would you ever make a
Hopefully.
video on that breaker model? Yeah. Like I'm gonna be doing like I'm not gonna teach the break what a breaker is. That's what we got have T trades for. I'm not gonna teach what SMT is. That's what we have T trades for. But like that's why I put like you should learn this, this, and that before you watch my video, so that you can understand what I'm teaching. But yeah, I'll go over the model sometimes in some videos. I definitely will. There's never gonna be like one fully in-depth video, but there will be a series of videos where you can understand the general premise of the model, and then like for each trade example, you'll have more discretion you can use. Because if I gave like a full in-depth tutorial on the model, it would take me like a couple hours to record the video, and then I would have to chop it up, and I'm not gonna do all of that, especially not right now. First fair value gap though, I'll probably put that all over YouTube. I feel like I can go in depth on that. It'll take me like 25 minutes max to explain that. And that's really the only model that most people need. If you're good at drawing liquidity and you're patient enough to only trade the first fair value gap, you'll be set. That's what I've been doing with most of my friends. I've been just teaching them first fair value gap. Oh, I'm not. Are you actually in the short?
yeah,
All
it's not
right.
looking too good. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm not. I won't say anything about it because with this model, it's not over until like you hit your stop loss. So I'm just personally not touching it. It's not ridiculous. It's just like not amazing trade either.
Yeah, I'd rather look for longs later in the day, but
I was
if I
thinking that
catch
too.
these short.
Let me see.
Some telling me longs might play out.
I'm trying to see if I can find a scenario for longs. I mean,
I
I
only
don't.
feel like later in the day, bro. I feel like it's gonna be either ES and the London low,
Oh.
something with a low. I just feel it.
Yeah, something with like a session low or previous day low.
Yeah, but we gotta get there first. So I'm pretty sure we gonna catch the short to get there.
Yeah, I think 9:30 will give us like a chance for that. All right, I think a possibility right now. By the way, I never marry possibilities. Like these are just like me preparing for what can happen. All right. ES and NQ both have these highs here. Like that looks like low resistance liquidity. Um, I believe ES or NQ can sweep all of this, and then we can have an SMT there, and that can make it clear that uh that was a manipulation. So we'll have our SMT, and then 9:30 opens, and
Hmm.
we get a bearish gap, and we take it to the downside, or open and then we sweep it, making a fair value gap, and then we inverse it to the downside.
Right.
Either of those two scenarios. and I would take it probably to at least London low. I don't even know how we can make this a what's it called again? A bullish scenario.
Yeah, I was about to say, I ain't gonna lie. If we get a bullish setup, I don't
I'm gonna feel very weird about taking a long. I probably won't take it on my like what account should I take it on? Oh yeah, by the way, this is a Top Step account that I've started, a combine. These are my MFUs, these are XFAs. I mean past accounts. This is a past account. This is straight to funded. The only combine I'm trading is Top Step right now. Just so everyone's clear.
taking a
Because
long though.
wait, what do you say?
I was saying like, even if we do get a long setup, it don't even be because what are we gonna target?
Yeah, it's a little bit weird for longs. Like I hate longing while we're at top of ranges, bro. Like I
What
really
you
hate
think?
that.
Oh.
But yeah, I'm just letting everyone know in advance that this is a combine. This isn't an XFA. Obviously, if you look at the top left corner, because there's just some people on TikTok that intentionally cut out the top of their screen when they're screen recording on Top Step to show that to not show if they're on a practice account, XFA, or a combine. Just certain people, but I would never drop names, bro. Literally been in a VC with a person that was explaining how they take shit on their practice. Like I used to think every single Top Step X clip was legit because like like of course you can make a demo with Trade of A and all that, but I forgot that you can make a practice account with Top Step X. And then I hear this guy say that he was doing it. It's like if the trade hits, it doesn't, and if it does, then cool, I have a clip. I got it. All right, bro. All right, let me read these. Man, I am in from May 2, but 2023. But man, I am just not able to make a buck. Just try to figure out what the issue is. Like, is it that your strategy isn't working? Is it that your um emotions are getting in the way? If it's your strategy, I would again look for someone to find someone who's already doing it and learn from them. Because honestly, that's something I wish I did. I was like too stubborn for. That's why it took me so long, honestly, right? But once you find something that works, then it's 100% like on you. Like once you have something that you know works, there's no excuse anymore. You have to like just buckle down with your emotions and lock into
Oh.
what's in front of you. ES and
I'll
NQ
be.
already have SMT. What do you think on it? Um, oh yeah, I was like, I mentioned this. I think we have previous day high SMT. NQ has swept this previous day high while ES hasn't. Right, so that's a high probability SMT. I would more than likely want to see a 15-minute breaker form. But we didn't confirm it, so I didn't answer. I would have actually answered shorts if we confirmed this breaker if we closed below this low.
You gotta do some crazy shit in the open, bro.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. I wasn't
Get
even
my.
here.
They gotta get my reboot van, my reboot card
The
at level
card.
5.
Don't trip, bro. 9:30 open will hopefully give us something that we could use. All right, so again, I'm assuming that NQ or ES, it might be NQ. Sorry if to come up and sweep these highs, and then we have SMT
Oh.
there, and then we print a gap to the upside or downside. Downside, of course, we use it regularly. To the upside, we wait for the inverse.
All right, let's see what's going on.
Let's get ready for this.
First up, get up, wake up.
Here we go.
I mean, we already got the bull S&T, bro. I mean, the bear S.
Yeah, but I think we're gonna get another one right before
Yeah.
open or at open.
I'm sorry, Fabo. We really might take that
I'm
high. I
sorry,
was
Fox. Yeah, I'm waiting for
No.
us to take it now.
gonna get PD'd out, man.
It has Prussian SMT too. I don't know what Prussian SMT is. If you were talking about like session, I don't believe so because NQ had already taken the London highs and ES did as well. So I mean like this is technically a session, but I'd rather just call it previous day high.
They need to dump this shit in 20 seconds, bro.
I mean like actually I actually kind of no I'm not even, I'm gonna keep my opinion to myself. We're gonna let market do what it's gonna do.
8 seconds. Let's do it, bro.
5. Me, thousand.
We
Thousand
are
ticks,
ready.
man. Nah.
No, I might not take the high, bro. Let's check ES. Is ES gonna do it? Let me send an alert here.
Oh yeah, it's wraps.
I'm
Damn.
sorry, Fall. Alright,
It's
don't
low
worry.
key.
There's gonna be more opportunities, bro.
Yeah, it's low key.
Okay, so
Yeah, I'm looking for a trade at 10.
we
I'll look for
swept
one
the
at 10.
highs. ES still hasn't came up. Alright, don't tell me this is gonna be a day where like it would be really annoying if this is one of those days where NQ has already hit the buy side objective, but ES hasn't, so we're gonna keep being bullish until ES takes it, which would probably mean that we're bullish until previous day high.
I mean, ES just got to take the 8 a.m. high. It's pretty much right there. Because that was the high of NQ. So,
Yeah, no, it's literally right there, which is the annoying part because it could
but we cool if
100%.
it don't take it. If it don't take it, we is straight, bro.
Yeah, no. I'm hoping we just get print a bearish gap here now. That's all we need. Come on, yo, you're doing the most. We're doing the most right now. Thank you.
Just ES just don't gotta move, bro. Y'all can chop for a minute. You feel me?
Yeah, I have my alert set just in case because I just want to watch NQ.
Same.
Yo, Anhad, try to stay serious for more than 15 seconds challenge. Impossible. All right, we're definitely gonna print a bearish gap here. I think so. Yeah. Part of me wants to just enter now, but I know better. I know better.
I swear, I think ES might take London lows first.
Oh, then have it marked out. Have it like have an alert.
Yeah. Yeah, this is for sure gonna be the gap.
All right, please don't make it like one of those scenarios where we don't retrace. Please, man. We already know what's gonna happen. Just
Bruh.
damn. That's why we don't enter early. What the fuck? By the way, just so you guys know, this is not the first fair value gap. The first gap could not appear on the 930 candle. Yeah, it would actually be cool if we somehow printed a bullish gap here and then we inversed it.
Yeah, but I'd rather take that, to be
Yeah,
honest.
we get a higher entry. Thank you to
Thank
those
you.
who are sending likes to the stream. If you haven't already, if you're new, I'd appreciate if you guys left a like,
Thank you.
subscribed. I'm gonna actually stay live until 11:10 today. I'm not gonna end the stream short if I finish up early, because I did end up finding another trade in the day, so that was something that could have been recorded. News at 10. Yeah, you're right. I usually still execute, not gonna lie.
In the meantime, he's just gonna show our quick scoping clips.
Oh yeah, I should hop on like Black Ops 3 in the meantime. You right.
All right, this might be the gap right here.
Yeah.
So what is this? This is
Because there's no way in the world I'm longing this shit, right? Let me check
yeah,
ES. Let me see
nah,
where
bro.
ES is at. Oh yeah, there's no way. Okay, so that SMT is gonna stand.
Yeah, I'm not logging that, bro, at
Not
all.
longing that shit.
24.75. How many ticks is that? 44.
All right, here we go. I'll throw two cons on.
Yo, get this magnet out of the way, bro. I don't need it.
Third leg of the gap. So my stop is here. This is all I
75.
need to target on what's it called again? On my MFU. Do you have Clash of Clans? Holy shit. 26 viewers? Oh my god. And Anhad spamming, do you have Clash of Clans? Holy shit, bro. No, I do not, unfortunately. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if I upset you. 30 watching. I love all you guys, bro. That's a new peak of viewers for me. Thank you guys.
Ooh.
Bro, if this gap holds bullish again, if we're gonna have one of those days again, oh my god, we might.
Nah, bro, it don't make sense, bro.
This happened before. We were waiting for the inverse, and then we just end up using it to hold higher prices. I am not entering on the short, bro. Not until this gap inverses.
635, 70.
I'm unaware on how of the YouTube algorithm. Yeah.
Bro, we have enough S&T. Like, what are you going for?
I think NQ waiting for news to pivot, in my opinion. Yeah, we are getting a little bit closer to news, so now I'm like a little bit more reluctant on entering because I was hoping to get an entry and we distribute before news even moves, but we'll see.
I mean, we still got a little time. Yeah, we still got a little time. If we get
Yeah,
an entry at like 58, I don't know, bro. But then again, it still might distribute for us. So.
at this point I'm gonna just leave it.
Oh.
There was no way in hell I was long in this. I don't care if I missed the move, bro. There was no fucking way in hell I'm long in this shit. Like, were you serious?
Yeah, the only SMT that we got was ES making that bullish, but we already had the bears first, and there was no point on
Yeah.
it at all.
Wick becoming popular. I I I don't know how to feel about it yet. So I mean, like, I'm not famous at all, but I do appreciate the support I get on every single one of these videos and lives. I'm doing it to entertain y'all. And the reason why I haven't came out with the Discord yet is because I have plans for it. And it's not anything paid. It's like it's not gonna be like none of that paid shit. It's gonna be free. I'm not saying you're gonna learn how to become a master, successful, profitable trader. It's gonna be more like just a community, and I'll have like the good traders I know in there. Over or under on Wick forgetting about the day ones after, bro. We are Wick's day one. He gonna sign me out regardless. So what does it matter, bro?
They just
Yo,
prepare for the
you
worst.
wanna know who my trading day ones are, bro? I've already slimed them up. I've already backdoored them, bro. It's already done. My OG trading group from March 2023,
God.
I already backdoored them. I already let them know, man. Nemo, if you're watching this, Anhad,
They
let's play
finally
Russian
back.
roulette, bro. Oh my, yo, Boris. Yo,
Finally
y'all are
back.
just
Sorry,
chatting. Yo,
find out.
y'all are just chatting, bro. Oh, that's Burn right there. Bird's Bear Cave. That's my real day one. That's like the actual day one trading friend. He's the one who taught me what ICT concepts were before I even knew what they were for real. He trades data now. Yo, what's up, Carter, bro? Yo, Carter. What's it called again? You're the guy I have on IG from like a while ago. We haven't talked in like I don't even know how long. It's been a minute, bro. We had bearish SMT off open, caught 1 of 5 off of it. Yo, Triller just be doing shit, bro.
Yo, how, bro? Nothing went down. What's he trading on YM?
I don't know what he took. Like it may have been on ES. Is it on? Let me see,
No, it had to be YM because I mean, ES did go down.
bro. What's his name? Trilly just be doing shit, bro. He's different,
He took YM for sure. He had to, bro.
most likely, bro. It's Al. Oh, you're
YM.
on you're managing the Burns Bear Cave. How are we doing, Alex? I mean, actually, you're literally in VC right now. What am I talking about? Yo, my chat is active as fuck right now, bro. What the fuck? I need to like set up something so I can have my chat on the like left side of the screen, on the right side of the screen, somewhere on the screen. So when people run this back, it don't look like I'm just talking to myself. Wick Trading LLC. My real name is your real name is Mish. Mish. I think I'm pronouncing that. I'm sorry. I just butchered your name. I apologize.
Yeah, you did just expose him live in the flesh, though.
Bro. All right, I think we're finally starting to come down here. We have 18 minutes till news, so I am a little bit concerned. They're 6 foot under already, and he's only at 140 subs. Wait, who's six? Who's 6 feet under, bro? I'm confused as hell. Did I miss something? Okay, so let me lock in really quick. My entry is here. Wait, does MFU care about job openings? Like, is that serious news? Will that will that like butcher my progress? Like, will they like ban me for that? I'm actually concerned right now. Hold on. Same thing with Tradeify. I don't know. I think it's T1 news only. what's today's date? July. Okay, so it's not okay, so it's not right now. All right. There's gonna be news, but it's not T1. So I think yeah, I just checked it. I think it's okay. Oh wait, I have to answer. I think I'm not gonna get answered by a tech. That'd be so annoying, wouldn't it?
No way that's about to happen though. That's
Uh,
tough.
I'm market selling on my fucking
Order
MFUs.
filled.
Fuck it. I don't really care. And my
Damn,
Top
bro.
Step
That be
account,
going without.
I don't know. Here we go.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Wait, why is it
635.
saying I'm in on? Wait, what? Wait, am I on the wrong? Wait.
Order
Platinum.
filled.
Wait, what am I'm on MNQ. Where's NQ? Where's NQ? Where's NQ?
Order filled.
Uh,
Mm, I don't even know what to target. For sure, at a 1 or 2, I'm gonna leave my shit at break even. So I got that marked up.
I'm targeting literally anything. Yo, what happened to my MFU account? Why is it okay? All right, and my stop loss is supposed to be where it's supposed to be at 635.75. Bro, this is crazy trying to enter on 5 different accounts. 635.75. Sell, buy to stop. Okay.
Shit, I might target just this
All right, so my
857.
what's it called again? Yeah, my Tradeify will be out here. My what's it called again? My MFU will be out. I don't know. My Top Step account will be out. I don't know. All right, now we have to watch ES for taking lows. It's already made equal lows, which is annoying. And also, I'm gonna mark out these London lows here.
250. I'll take that and call it a day, bro.
All right, so there's a couple options here. You can take it to R, which is 100 ticks. It's not that far below from here, guys. Or you can take it to what's that called again? By the way, I'm only doing this because I have like a profit like max on Tradeify. I would be targeting further any other scenario, FYI.
Yeah, hold on.
But I have a profit cap on my Tradeify here, so yo, my Tradeify is so laggy, bro.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna just target the 857 low and just call it a day for 209
The
ticks.
closest low. That's
Kinda.
not crazy.
I wanna see London lows, but like it's after that is no other liquidity that's arrested. I don't want to be too greedy. I just want to take my dub and leave.
All right, so ES is coming down now. So now NQ. All right, so we just
You
made
going to break
900
even?
on Tradeify. That's the most I can make on Tradeify. So that's cool.
I want to break even. We get to -2. Not the -2. My bad. The 1 to 2.
All right, I think we should be almost up to R in like a little bit. Please manage your positions, guys. It's not all my responsibility here, guys. You just took the same trade as me for 101. Thanks for the signal. You're welcome, sir. Mr. Trilly.
Oh, I can only make 1,500. Okay, we can
Watch
do
this
that.
half pass and on what's it called again? On Top Step. Tell Michael Patak I'm coming for it all. Tell Michael Patak I'm back and I'm coming for more. And tell that MFU CEO he ain't safe either.
Order filled.
Oh, you just got hit. You just hit TP. Bang,
Yeah, on my
bang.
top step
If they
for
can't do it
1,500.
live, they can't do it at all. If they
Yo,
can't
keep that
do it
shit up.
live, they can't
Oh,
do
we
it
took
at
London
all.
lows.
If
We
they
took London
can't do
lows.
it live, they can't do it at all.
We took London lows on ES.
But we took London on ES.
Yeah.
I just closed on MFU.
Order filled.
Yeah, I made close here.
Let me see where NQ's at. Does NQ want it?
I closed. I'll take that,
Nah,
bro.
I'm going for the full pass.
I
I'm
should have
going
been
for
a
the full
real nigga,
pass.
man. Should have been a real
Yes,
nigga.
sir. I closed.
Let's
Full
go.
pass.
Let's
Full
go.
pass. Pass my account. Pass my account. Here.
Let's go, bro.
Pass my account.
Order
Bang. I
filled.
just passed 150K in 2 days. In 2
Let's
days.
go. Let's go. I'm off today. I am
Yo, who's
done
doing
for
it
the
like me on live, bro?
Yo,
Are you
bro. I
kidding me,
just
bro?
made, bro.
Are you kidding me?
1,500. 1,500.
Are you kidding me, bro?
Let's do it.
Are you kidding me, bro? On live? On live?
Let's
On
do it.
live? Are you serious? Are you serious? Going
That's a dub,
crazy.
bro.
We're going crazy. Let's go, bruh. Nah, we smacked that. We sniped that. We sniped that. Bang. That was a banger. That was a banger.
Dub. Rub, dub, dub. Bro, I should have held it like a real nigga, but it's cool. I'll take my profits, bro. I don't
Nah, I
care
took
about
I took my profits, bro. I took my profits
I
on my
played it smart,
MFUs.
bro.
And
Yeah, I played it.
I already hit my
Then we got
profit target on Tradeify. I just passed on a 150K account. Yo, tell Michael Patak I'm not playing no games with him, bro. Last time I was bullshit, bro. I'm telling you, like, I'm not playing no games with Michael Patak now, bro. Let him know, bro. Let him know.
for real, we might be bears for the rest of the day, bro. Cause we about to
Yeah,
hit
I think we're taking
150
previous day low.
quick.
I think we're going a lot further down from this. I think a lot of us just caught high day. We have previous day high SMT, and then we have an SMT here as well. And I think news is actually going to shoot it back. Let me not say that. Because we already hit TP. We already hit these lows. That's more than fucking, what, 3, 4R. Bang. Good shit, y'all.
Yeah, bro, I'm done for the day on God.
I'm done
They
too.
got that.
I have to be done.
I'm
I
done.
passed the account. I'm already up 600 on the MFE, bro. It's over. GG. Bang. We're done before 10 a.m. hits.
Yes, bro. You take y'all dub and leave. Do not try
Exactly.
to
If
risk
you took
it
that
all, bro.
short, get off the charts. If you
That's
took
it.
that short, you're done for the day, bro. Call it. Please.
You
Please.
don't realize how much that's holding you back, bro. Literally.
Exactly, man. You don't even need anything else, bro. It's done. You wait till 9:30 opens. You wait for the first gap. You take it inverse or you take it right. Like, I predicted this shit, bro. I said NQ or ES is gonna come up and sweep these highs. One of these aren't, and then we're gonna inverse the gap, and that's it.
Bro, oh my gosh, bro.
That's
Y'all, I
beautiful.
promise if y'all listen to Wick, bro, like if y'all just really pay attention, bro.
This is why I don't even need to have like a Discord or like any paid shit. It's literally this simple, bro. It's this simple. Just watch my live
Yeah,
and
bro.
start understanding what you have to look for. Wait for an SMT before market open and then trade in the direction of it on the first fair value gap. It's not fucking brain surgery. If they can't do it live, they can't do it at all. That's my favorite
Let's
quote right now.
do it, bro. That's a dub. Then we got the rest of the day free. Trying to run some
Yeah,
Jets.
UFI, you want to play Roblox?
Whoa, I'm still trading, buddy.
You're still in this?
Wait, no, I'm still looking.
You didn't take the short?
No.
No, Fa, you have to no, Fa, you have to start
Damn.
taking the first fair value gap, bro. Like, there's no way you don't understand it now.
Damn.
I understand you love breakers, but bro, you gotta tune into first fair value gap, bro.
Bruh.
Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you done seen it work so many times. There's no denying it,
There's
bro.
no denying that this model is
And
good,
then I
bro.
ain't even gonna lie to you, bro. If the fair value gap goes break even or fails, then the breaker will definitely save it from what I've noticed.
There's
It was
like
because
there's
I
like
took a.
literally no denying how effective this model is, bro.
Motherfucking W.
Made 1,200 on all 5 of my accounts, bro. This nigga had a six band day, bro. Let's get it, Matt. Yo, Matt is tough.
Oh my gosh. Yo, I'm about to buy this shit, let me buy this. Let me buy another one.
Oh my god. I appreciate that, y'all. I appreciate that. This was a great stream. This is a great stream. We got an active chat. We
Bruh.
just hit a crazy trade. Yo, but Fa, you need to
3
lock
on 3
in, bro.
already.
I need you to start looking at first or value gap. Please, bro. It's so much easier than breakers, bro. I
No,
like
I
I
was
like
debating. I was
FFVG more than
debating, but
breakers.
I took an L already, so I was like, I'm gonna save my last trade for like
A high
something clean.
probability breaker setup.
Yeah.
I get that, but I be feeling the opposite way, bro. I be feeling like if I take a loss like on a breaker, I'm gonna wait for first short value gap, you know. But like this is gonna appear every day, bro. You didn't miss anything. We have a million trades to take.
Yo, what was I doing again? Oh, yeah, top 7.
Million trades to take out here, man.
Nah, bro, you gotta stay on to the 11-10, bro.
This is my second week
Great
trading
quick.
on my own using first fair value gap W. Wick, thanks for your knowledge. Of course, bro. Of course. And y'all did it yourselves. I didn't even really teach this shit. I just told y'all what it was, and y'all did the due diligence, your research, back tested everything. That's all you guys, bro. It's all you guys. I didn't even teach y'all none of that. And I was vague as hell in my little video too, so like telling you, bro, all I did was introduce it, and y'all did the work. So anyone who's doing well off that now, congratulations. Congratulate yourself.
Wait, pause. So you can copy trade through Top Step X, right?
Yeah, you
I just want
can.
to make
You
sure.
can. It's actually easy as fuck. Like you see this right here
All right.
on the, when I'm
Hold on,
it's
wait.
gonna load on stream in a second, but all you
Yeah,
have
let
to do
me.
is like connect all your accounts, like just attach them, and you execute on one, all the trades copy.
Wait, I'm about to look at your stream real quick.
Like there's a setting where you can just like put all the accounts together, and then whatever you execute on one account, it will copy on the others. What we gonna do for an hour? Do you guys have Black Ops 3 or Black Ops 2 or GTA or like it's like what game y'all want to play? Y'all want to play Roblox?
Hey, Roblox stream go crazy.
Yeah, yo, get in on Roblox right after the dub. I mean, like it's
Roblox.
really up to y'all. Like if the chat dies down, then I'll just get out of here. But 'cause we're already done, I usually like to play games pre-market, take the trades, and then call it. But
Use promo code LeBron James sent me
Wait, find a Roblox game and I'll hop on.
so how do you get your buys for the first presented fair value gap? If you look at this video, you'll see that I saw that we had previous day high SMT. NQ had taken the previous day, ES didn't, and then what's it called again? What I was gonna look
You got
for
it.
after was like since we had previous day high SMT, I was pretty confident that we were just gonna be bearish, right? If you look at the 4 hour, there's not really any clear like internal liquidity we want, probably besides this gap here. But I'm not even interested in trading all the way down there. Basically,
All right, I
really,
got
if you want me to make it as simple as possible for you, look for an SMT before market open. Like whatever is the most recent SMT on the 15-minute time frame before the first fair value gap presents itself, take it in that direction. So if you see a bearish SMT occur, like you don't even have to pull up the daily for this. You see market open and you see NQ take these highs and you see ES doesn't, you have a bearish SMT. When the first fair value gap presents itself, try to inverse it or take it regular if it's bearish. Don't even overcomplicate it. Whatever SMT you see happen at open with relative highs and lows, literally just take that. Literally just take that.
bro giving out free sauce.
I am giving out a lot of free sauce, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I mean, shit. Making enough from this, bro. Don't even
Yeah. Okay, yo, Wick, does MF have a $1,500 rule on a 50K? I believe they have a consistency rule for the starter plus plan in the eval, but if you're in the XFA, if you're in the past account, they don't have the consistency rule anymore. But you have to double check me on that because I don't have their plan. I have the starter accounts where you don't have to worry about consistency rule at all, right? And then, what's it called in the XFA? I mean, in the past account, I keep saying XFA like I'm on Top Step. That's when you have a 40% consistency, and that's what's been annoying me recently. But you know, we can work around it.
I wanna.
Do you
Bruh.
usually do one trade and call it a day, or do you still look for more? I am a big advocate of if you are reading price well, then it's not ridiculous to continue to trade. As you guys have seen, I've taken like 4 or 5 trades in a day at times and been correct each time. So if price action is good, I'll take it, but I would never recommend that to a beginner. I would never recommend that to anyone that in the evaluation stage. That's where if you're profitable, that's if you're confident. That's only for that shit. Do not be thinking like you can be new and you can just take a bunch of trades. And I'm not gonna say that won't work for somebody out there, but for the most majority of people, you know, it's better to just wait, please.
Wait, how did you
Heading
say
out,
it?
bro. Going on
Wait,
vacation. Y'all have a good day. I'll catch you, Trilly. Thank you for tuning in. You've been supporting me a lot, bro. I appreciate everything you do. Carter, breaker setup is fine, bro. Please, bro, you put me onto this shit. I'm telling you, S&T and a breaker. It's all you really need. It's all you really need. I'm gonna have a video on it soon. We'll be talking about that. I'll catch you unknown. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Swansea, Fa, you guys have any questions?
I'm gonna have to just set up this copy trader and go on with my day for real.
Yeah, I'll help you with that after the stream.
I'm YouTube University in this shit right now.
I mean, yeah, I think we could just end it on a good note right there, bro. I don't think I need to hold y'all here on stream. I don't think I'm gonna take. There's nothing that's gonna happen at this 10 a.m. Right? News already came out. I didn't even realize news came out. Like I just completely forgot that we had news. Right? Um, what's it called again? Yeah, I don't think there's a reason to hold y'all here. I took the first year value gap. Breakers didn't appear. I mean, we technically have a breaker here, but I'm not taking that. I believe it'll hold though. Like, let me see what it looks like on the 5-minute. Yeah, like if we close below here on the 5-minute too, like this is 100% probably going all the way down to previous day low. If you enter shorts off the breaker, you can't just enter off the breaker. You have to have your stop at the high. Let me look at the projection.
I mean, that's a W. I got it set up. But oh,
Yeah, like I think we're just gonna continue to go down. So what does the market open mean? There is one midnight open and there is a 8:30 a.m. open. Personally, I don't even know why that. Am I able to watch this? Yeah, it is. I keep all of my streams up. I have nothing to hide. All of my streams, if I went live, it's up there. You're able to watch all of my streams back if you wanted to. So I don't know what any of these opens mean. Like I also really don't care. All I know is that ICT himself said that the first share value gap after open works. And I'm not saying in a cult mindset, oh, he said it works. I've used it and it works multiple times for the entirety of this past month. So I don't care to question him or question why or whatever. All I know is that it works. All I know is that if I look for an SMT on the 15-minute chart right before market open and see if it's bullish or bearish, and I take the gap that presents itself first after open in that direction, I will more than likely be able to be profitable. Like if you just caught the, what's it called again? Like if you literally only took this low, if you literally only took it to this low, right? That's like 4R right there. I am positive that this gap will hold. If we are this will hold to previous day low. And I know there's someone out here who is holding it down a previous day low. I'm very confident. I don't even want to measure how much risk to reward that is. Like, that's disgusting.
all right, yo, I'm about to head out, start my day. Fucking good dubs though, bro.
Yeah, we're already done, bro. There's nothing else to be said. There's nothing else to be done. It's already over. I appreciate
Yeah,
y'all
I
for
hit my
tuning in.
profit target.
Yeah, man, it's done. That was the trade for the day. All
Yeah,
right.
bro.
Thank you guys for
All
tuning
right,
in.
bro.
Please leave a like, subscribe. I'll be posting on my TikTok and I'll have a video out soon. Love you guys. Talk to you soon.
That was perfect, bro. Done
Wait,
before fucking
did my stream
minute.
end? Why is it saying that I'm...
I could look real quick.
Oh, wait, I have two OBSs up and like one of them... Okay, all right, here we go. All right. All right, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys later.